Hello Python here. In this video I am going to show you how to download the Python and how to install it. In the browser you have to type download Python and you will see the first link python.org. It's official website. From where you can download the Python and you can see its latest version is 3.9.1. If you want to download the previous version you can download it from here. It is available for Windows, Linux, Unix, Macs and other operating systems also. If you want to download 3.9.1, you have to just click here and it will start downloading. I am not going to download it because I had already installed it. When the download is get complete, you have to just click OK for installation purpose. If you want to check the version of the Python in your system, you have to open the command prompt and you have to just type python ---- version, and you can see in my system 3.8.0 is the version of the Python that is installed. To write a code in the Python you have to open the IDE. It comes with the Python. You have to just click on the file, new file, and it will create a new file for you, and you have to you can type here your Python code. I am just writing the print programming with Ganesh, and you can run, and you have to first save it to run a file. I am saving it as a test.py, and you can see here output programming with Ganesh. You can use other IDE also. You can use Spyder, Pycharm, Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab. There are so many IDEs are available you can use, but from the next session I am going to use the VSCode. Here you can see the interface of the VSCode. VSCode is actually not the IDE, it is a text editor. You can here you can write Python, Java, C, C++, any type of programming language code. In the next session we will write our first Python code. Thank you so much for watching the video.